acquired Jared Cosart, Enrique Hernandez from the Houston Astros for Jake Marisnick and Colin Moran. Two big pieces as of recent for the Marlins, but they decided it was worth the shot right now.
President of Baseball Operations, Mike Hill, on the late deal today.
I think as we approach the deadline, our goal was always to add a controllable starting pitcher, at least one starting pitcher to the mix to help this ball club. And we were fortunate to acquire Jared Cosart. We were also able to acquire Enrique Hernandez, the infielder, outfielder, and AAA outfielder Austin Waits in the deal.